Good morning, guys. Welcome to BlakeWrTv. Today we are in the kitchen. It's early in the morning and we're making some good all-American breakfast. And one of the recipes we're using today is Gordon Ramsay style of making hash brown with sweet bacons. On one of his videos, I'm trying out his recipe to see how it turns out. It looks good. I like it. I don't want to just try it for myself, to taste it, to see how that tastes. It looks good on camera. But guys, today we're going to try it out. We're going to put it to the test and see how it comes out. I'm using his ingredients and his recipe. Come with me in the kitchen to see how this works out. Okay guys, as you can see, I have 3 fresh peeled potatoes. I already removed the peel. And we have a piece of onion. And we have 3 pegs of garlic. Garlic is really good for you. You can put garlic in pretty much everything. It just increases the health benefit of whatever you're making with garlic pegs. Also, we're going to be going ahead and we're going to grate the potato, and we're going to go ahead and grate the onion, and let's do it. And remember, we are trying Gordon Ramsay style of all good American hash brown. This is what it looked like when it comes out. Get another one. We're gonna grate it, and then we're gonna grate the onion and the garlics, and then we're gonna squeeze out the juice, get all the juice out of it before we bake it. So just like this. Ramsay hash brown looks real good. I like it, and I just want to try it using his ingredients. Seems like I'm having a lot of potato here. If I put another one in it, should be fine. You know, I've been doing some research to find out that potato, actually hash brown, was being used in American restaurants since 1889. That's a long time, guys. We've been eating hash brown. Okay, now that the potato has been grated, we're gonna go ahead and grate the onion. Okay guys, now that all our potato has been grated, we're gonna go ahead and take it and put it in here because we need to get all the juice out of it. Right now it has a lot of water stored into the potato and the onion. I'm gonna go and put it in here. So we're gonna go ahead and season it up and squeeze all the water out of it. Okay, we're gonna put a little pepper in here first, just like that. Put a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt in there, a little bit more, just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and just season this up. It's looking nice, just like Gordon Ramsay did his. We're following the same recipe, trying to create the same step that he did. See how it tastes. Okay, we're gonna squeeze juice out of it, just like that. Get all that juice out. There we go. Then we're gonna put it in the frying pan over here. Okay guys, now we put our salt and pepper in. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of olive oil in there as well. We're gonna put some olive oil. This is the olive oil. And this time I'm gonna go ahead and get all the juice out of it. It's gonna squeeze out all the juice. see what happens when we squeeze it. There you go. I'm getting all the juice out of the potato just like that. Get a little bit more squeeze. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the frying pan. Okay guys, now that we get all the water, all the liquid out of our hash brown mix or potato, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the frying pan. But first we're gonna put some olive oil in the frying pan. And our frying pan is already preheated. So we're putting some olive oil in there. Putting some olive oil spray into the pot just like that. Put a little bit more olive oil in there. Just like that. Should be good. And now we're gonna go ahead and put in our 4 hash browns, or grated potato. Oh, that smells good. Guess Ramsey know what he's talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and press it down. The next step in the process is to press it down. So we're going to press it down. Got to layer it down just like this. I can smell the seasoning and everything. It's smelling pretty good. Then we're gonna put some margarine, some butter in there. We have some butter here. We're gonna go ahead and put some butter in there. Just lay the butter just around the side, just like that. Just get the butter all the way around, a nice margarine. So that margarine can melt down and give it that nice flavor. Like that. Looking good. Okay guys, it has been frying for a little while. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. And to flip it, we just put a plate over it, just like this. Go right over. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and put my eggs in. Okay guys, I'm putting in the eggs. Out of 4 eggs. Put a little pepper on it, get a little flavor. Pinch of salt on it. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the oven. 180 degrees. That thing looking good. Okay, gonna go ahead and get our bacon. Okay guys, now that our hash brown is in the oven, now we got the eggs on top. Gonna give it some time so they can bake properly with the eggs on top. We're gonna go on to the bacon, and this pot we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil spray in our pot. It's been preheated. Putting in some olive oil. Got that nice greasy just like that. And then we're gonna put a little bit of sugar in there. We don't have the brown sugar, so we're gonna go ahead and just put in some white sugar. Just like that. Butter in there. The margarine just for flavor. Go ahead and put a little pepper, just like that. Okay, now guys, we're gonna go ahead and put in our bacon. We got our bacon all lined out here. Dip them into the oil with the butter and the sugar and the pepper. Looking good. Get that nice glaze from the butter and the sugar into these nice bacon. Trying to get all of them in there. Final space. Okay guys, the sugar, the pepper and the butter, the margarine, these things are glazing down real good. We have the bacon, as you can see, taking on that glossy shine. Nice margarine, looking good, smelling good as well. And in the oven we have the hash brown with the eggs, it's bacon, looking good as well. We're gonna be taking it out so you guys can look at it in a minute. This is what the bacon looks like, cooking on with the butter, sugar, pepper, salt, looking tasty. Okay guys, we've been baking the hash brown for a while. We're gonna go ahead and check on it. See how it's coming along. This is what it looks like from inside the oven. About another minute or two, we should be good to go. Okay guys, this is what it looked like. This is our hash brown with our eggs on top. This is what it looks like coming out of the oven. And remember, this is Gordon Ramsey recipe I'm using. Just replicate his process. And now we're gonna go ahead and put the glaze, nice all-American bacon on top, just like that. It's nice and glazed in the butter and sugar. Looking good, smelling good as well. Just bring them over the egg like that, guys. And this is an all good American, what do you call it, superhero breakfast? We're gonna give it to the test. Okay, here's our last bacon. And they're all golden brown and glazed. Looking good. Okay, now you tell me if this is not what we are all waiting for. Guys, as you can see, our hash brown with the bacon is already out, glazed, nice golden brown with the sugar on it, the butter on it, the pepper on it, the eggs already on top of the hash brown, just like what we see in Gordon Ramsay. And we're gonna go ahead and test this thing, okay? Because the main idea of making this thing, spending so much time, it's only a 4-minute video, I believe, on Ramsay show, but this thing takes longer than a 4 minute. It's a long process, but we're gonna go through for you. We're gonna cut a little piece to try it. Okay, this is what we make it for, just so we can try it. Get a nice slice out of it. Just like that. And let's try this thing. Okay, what it look like. Has the egg on top. Under the bottom, we got the hash brown and the egg. I will make a little toast right here. 2 pieces of bread. I like to spread my egg on my toast, just like that. And you can try this without this. Just make this while I was in the kitchen. Something additional, but the main event is this right here. So let's try this. And let's put a piece of bacon on it. Oh man, this tastes sticky. Put a piece right here. Get a mouthful. Okay guys, I'm about to try that famous Gordon Ramsay recipe. It's good. I like it. You guys can try this. Tastes real good. Okay, thank you for watching BlakeWrTv, guys. As you can see, we tried Gordon Ramsay recipe. Came out good. Tastes delicious, and we like it. So thumbs up to Gordon Ramsay for his recipe. And keep watching BlakeWrTv. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Or give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.